we are here for the discussion of one beautiful play which is appeared in 10th class second language English, that is The Discovery. The Discovery. See, dear kids, this is a play. This is one of the play, Nataka, drama. See, now, today we are going to discussing in this unit introductional aspects and about the author. About the author. See, the play, The Discovery, which is written by Herman Herd. Herman Herd. Herman Herd. See, who was born in the year 1886 AD. This is the born year of Herman Herd, and it died 1951 AD at the age of 65 years. 65 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಬದುಕಿದ್ರು. See, Herman Herd is a well-known author. Some of the published books of Herman Herd include Cinderella, a play in 4 cents, Baker's Royalty Plays, Dick Whittingham and His Cat, a play in 4 cents, New Plays from Old Stories, 2nd series, Ali Baba and His Son, Hodji, a play in 4 cents, since Friends play for juvenile performance. See, these are all the several aspects of Herman Herd. Now we are moving into the drama or a play, The Discovery. So before know the story of the discovery, we will work with some before pre-reading tasks. See, here is a passage. We are going to go through all these points and categorize it into 3 types of people. Okay, that is like this. Before you read, some think that there are 3 kinds of people in this world. There are 3 kinds of people in this world. You may call them the cans, the cannots, and the woods. Some of the qualities are given below. Write them in the respective column. One is done for you. Number 1 is, they are always confident of their ability. They think they are too weak to take up the challenge. They are able but unwilling to take up any challenge. They like risk-free job. They are spirited and determined. They are always overruled by the consequences of the challenge. They are by nature lazy and easily satisfied. They are fit to rule, they think. They lack confidence in themselves. Nothing can stop them from reaching their goal. your example. I write on the blackboard. Okay, three types of peoples. Three types of people. Number one type of people was the cans. The cans. Second type of people was the cannots. The cannots. And the third one, the wounds. The wounds. See, these are all the three different types of people appeared in this world. In this world. See, now I am going to give an example of you. Cans are always, they are optimistic. Optimistic. It means ಅವರುಗಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಶಾವಾದಿಗಳಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. The canards, they lack confidence in themselves. They lack confidence in themselves. And words, they are able. They are able, but unwilling to take up. But unwilling to take up. Unwilling to take up any challenge. Any challenge. See, such kind of people who are appeared among us. They are some of the people belongs to cans, some belongs to cannots, and some others belongs to wounds. See, cans always they are optimistic. Cannots they lack confidence in themselves, and wounds they are able but unwilling to take up any challenge. See, these are all the three different types of the people which were appeared in our society or in our world. Okay. Now, exchange your list with your friends. If you find some other qualities, add to the list, write them in the space. Cansu, canatsu, wounds. Now, read the play to know about a daring leader. Now, we are going to read the story. Now, we are going to read the story and know about a daring leader. The story says something about daring leader. Who is the daring leader in the play The Discovery? Now we are going to see. Okay. See, The Discovery, written by Herman Holdt. Written by Herman Holdt. Christopher Columbus first saw the light of the New World on the night of 11th October 1492. Before he could achieve this great feat, he was often at open defense with his crew. Based on this, the play builds up a conflict of great imagination. Read the play of Herman Holdt to see how this conflict is resolved. This is what we tell introductional aspects. Introduction of the lesson or a play, the discovery. See, Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus was the daring leader of this play. See, who saw first time the light of new world? Who saw first the light of new world? See, this is the story, something about Christopher Columbus, how he made a discovery and invented a new world. See, that night, 11th October 1492. 11th October 1492. This is the date of Christopher Columbus saw the first light of the new world. See, before he could achieve this great fiat means big achievement, he was often at open defiance with crews. Crew means his mates, subordinates, his colleagues inside the boat, where he faced so much of problems with them, even though he was achieved this great fiat of saw the first light of the new world. Based on this, the play builds up a conflict of great imagination. The story builds the conflict of great imagination. The conflict of great imagination. And the play builds up a conflict of great imagination. Now read the play of Herman Hall to see how this conflict is resolved. How this conflict is resolved. ಹೇಗೆ ಈ ಘರ್ಷಣೆ ರೀಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಪರಿಹಾರ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಲೇಖಕರಾದ ಹರ್ಮನ್ ಹಾಲ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಮನೋಜ್ಞವಾಗಿ ಚಿತ್ರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರು? ಹರ್ಮನ್ ಹಾಲ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳು ಯಾವುವು? ಸೊ now we are going to know something about the major roles and characters which are appeared in the play The Discovery. See, dear children, I already told to you that the main hero of this lesson was Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus and Pedro Gutierrez. An officer, Pedro Gutierrez. An officer, Pedro Gutierrez, an officer. And another one, Pepe, a page boy. Pepe, a page boy. A page boy means office boy. And John Piatino. John Piatino. Who was, and Diego Garcia, or the seaman. Diego Garcia. Both are seamen. And Francisco and Guillermo are the major roles appeared in the lesson the discovery? Christopher Columbus, Pedro Gutierrez, Pepe, Juan Patino, Diego Garcia, and Francisco and Guillermo Iris. See, these are all the important characters in the drama, The Discovery. Now, dear children, move into the drama of The Discovery. Now, we are moved inside the drama of The Discovery. Okay, are you get ready? Are you get ready to listen the drama? Okay, dear student, please listen here. Now I am going to read the lesson carefully. You are also listen carefully, okay? See, please open your textbook of page 111. Okay? See, the title of the unit is The Discovery, written by Herman Orr. Christopher Columbus first saw the light of the New World on the night of 11th October 1492. Before he could achieve this great feat, he was often at open defiance with his crew. Based on this, the play builds up a conflict of great imagination. Read the play of Herman Orr to see how this conflict is resolved. Characters: Christopher Columbus, Pedro Gutierrez, an officer, and Pepe, a page boy, Juan Patino, Diego Garcia, seaman, and Francisco Guillermo Iris, other two seamen. The song of seaman is here. It is a scarcely distinguishable murmur. Here's a kegworum, the kingdom come, the devil's laughs, but God is dumb. See, this is the song of Seaman is here. It is a scarcely distinguishable murmur. What is that sign? Here's kegworum, the kingdom come, the devil's laugh, but God is dumb. Now, Ivan, sharply, they ought to stop that. The captain is always furious when he hears it. Dear, chant, we even sing to keep our spirits sharp. They attend with assumed assiduity to the rigging. Pedro Gutierrez comes in. He is somewhat surprised when he sees the others. Pedro, who's that? Diego rising. Diego Garcia, Juan Patino, sir. Pedro, inclined to be communicative. It's dark. I would welcome the moon. Diego, hi, Don Pedro. Some of us would welcome the cost of Spain still more. Pedro, pumping, impatient. Diego, surely there are limits to patience, sir. Pedro, humoring him. And you have reached them, Diego, we are like bats trying to fly by day. It's time he gave away. Why should one man have the lives of 50 in his hands? Pedro, with authority, I hope we are not entertaining mutinous thoughts, Diego. Mutiny is an ugly word, sir. Pedro, and an uglier deed. Yon finishing his job at the rigging, rises and with a salute goes off. Columbus comes in. is a tall, well-built man of 46. Her hair prematurely white, complexion fair, almost ruddy, a man of quick temper and irritability, which he controls only with an effort. His face in repose, in melancholic, seeing Don Pedro in conversation with Diego, he looks a terrible suspicious. He turns quickly to Diego. See, this is the initial aspects of the drama, the discovery. See now, what's going here? See, when our screen open on the stage, when that time, the song of Seaman is here. Seaman, ಒಂದು ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ವಿಷಬಲ್ ಮರ್ಮ. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನದು ಹಾಡು? ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕೆಗ್ ಓರ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್ ಕಮ್, ದ ಡೆವಿಲ್ಸ್ ಲಾಫ್ ಬಟ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಮ್. ಈ ಹಾಡನ್ನ ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಪಾತ್ರವರ್ಗಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ಲಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಂತಾನೆ, ದೇ ಆಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ದವನು? ದೇ ಆಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ನಿಲ್ಸೋದನ್ನ. ದೇ ಆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಂಟ್. OUGH. What means want. You want to stop that. The captain is always furious. Furious means sick. Captain ಅವರು ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. when he hears it ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ವಿಚ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್? ದ ಸಾಂಗ್. ಸೊ your captain means Columbus. Then Diego, shan't we even sing to keep our spirits sharp? Shall not we even sing to keep our spirits? ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. They attend with assumed assiduity. Means work hardly to the rigging. Work of sailing. The rigging means work of sailing. And Pedro Gutierrez comes in. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ Pedro Gutierrez ಬಂದರು. ಯಾರು ಬಂದರು? Pedro Gutierrez, an officer. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದರು. He is somewhat surprised when he sees the others. ಬೇರೆಯವರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. Pedro, who's that? Diego, rising. Diego Garcia and John Piatino sir. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋರು ಡಿಯಾಗೋ ಗಾರ್ಸಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಜಾನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟಿನೋ ಸರ್. Pedro, inclined to be communicative. It's dark. I would welcome the moon. ತುಂಬ ಕತ್ತಲಾಗಿದೆ ಮೇಲೆ. ಚಂದ್ರಮಾಮನನ್ನು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಚಂದ್ರನಿಗೆ. ಡಿಯಾಗೋ, ಹಾಯ್ ನಾನು ಪೆಡ್ರೋ. Some of us would welcome to the post of spine still more. ನಮ್ಮೊಳಗಡೆ ಯಾರು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಂತ. Pedro, pumping, it means encourage. Impatient. Diego, surely there are limits to patience sir. ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಮಿತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ದಾಟಿದೆ. Pedro, ಹ್ಯೂಮರಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಸ್ಯಾಸ್ಪದವಾಗಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ದೆಮ್. ನೀವು ಅವರನ್ನು ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ. Diego, we are like bats trying to fly by day. ಈ ಕತ್ತಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್, ಬಾವಲಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. It's time he gave away. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಮಯ ನಾವು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Why should one man have the lives of 50 in his hands? ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಜನ ಸಾಯುವುದು ಯಾಕೆ? ಪೆಟ್ರೋ ವಿತ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ, ಅಧಿಕಾರಯುತವಾಗಿ. I hope we are not entertaining mutinous thoughts, Diago. ವಾರ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದವನು. Diago, ನನಗೆ ಭರವಸೆ ಇದೆ, you are not entertaining mutinous thoughts. Mutinous means ದಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಲೋಚನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ Diago. Mutiny is an ugly word, sir. Mutiny is an ugly word, Pedro. And an uglier deed also. ಅದು ತುಂಬ uglier deed. So meanwhile, you are finishing his job at the rigging. ಅವನ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಸಾಯಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. Rises and with a salute goes up. Columbus comes in. ಅವನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಕೊಲಂಬಸ್ ಬಂದ. ಕೊಲಂಬಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟಾಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಉದ್ದನೆಯ ದೇಹ, ವೆಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ 46, 46 ವಯಸ್ಸು ತುಂಬಿದ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮುಟ್ಟು ದೇಹ, ಏರ್ ಪ್ರೀಮೆಚೂರ್ಲಿ ವೈಟ್, ಈಗ ಬಿಳೆ ಕೂದಲು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೇರ್, ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, ಕೆಂಪಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಟೆಂಪರ್, ಸಿಡುಕ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇರ್ರಿಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯ, ವಿಚ್ ಈ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಆನ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್. ಆದರೆ ಅವನೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ತನ್ನ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಿಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ರೆಪೋಸ್ ಈಸ್ melancholic. Melancholic means sad. Melancholic means very sad face. Seeing Don Pedro in conversation with the Diago, he looks at the terrible, suspicious. Turns quickly. Diago ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಪನಂಬಿಕೆ, suspicious, so that he turns quickly to Diago's side. Who turns quickly to Diago's side? Columbus turned quickly to Diago's side. See, this is the introductional aspects of the drama, The Discovery. Are you understand, dear student? Yes, I hope that you understand all those things. Shall I read the lesson once again? Okay, see. The song of seaman is here. It is a scarcely distinguishable murmur. Years can go run to kingdom come, the devils laugh, but God is dumb. Yawn sharply, they ought to stop that. The captain is always furious when he hears it. Diago, shan't we even sing to keep our spirits sure? They attend with assumed assiduity to the rigging. Pedro Goodrich comes in. He is somewhat surprised when he sees the others. Pedro, who's that? Diago, rising. Diago Garcia and Ivan Patino, sir. Pedro, inclined to be communicative. It's dark. I would welcome the moon. Diago, aye, Dan Pedro. Some of us would welcome the coast of Spain till more. Pedro pumping, impatient. Diago, surely there are limits to patience, sir. Pedro, humoring him. And you have reached them, huh? Diago, we are like bats trying to fly by day. It's time. He gave way. Why should one man have the lives of 50 in his hands? Pedro with authority. I hope we are not entertaining mutinous thoughts, Diago. Diago, mutiny is an ugly word, sir. Pedro, and an uglier deed. Yawn finishing his job at the rigging, rises and with salute goes up. Columbus comes in. He is a tall, well-built man of 46. Hair prematurely white, complex and fair, almost ruddy, a man of quick temper and irritability, which he controls only with an effort. His face in repose, in melancholic, seeing Don Pedro in conversation with Diego, he looks a terrible, suspicious. He turns quickly to Diego. Okay, this is the story of the today of the unit, the discovery. Okay, dear people, dear people, I will stop here now. Remaining things will be discussed on tomorrow's class. Thank you.